456 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 27th August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 27, 2020, 356 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 15,483. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,445. Total recovered cases stands at 11,867. Total 171 deaths are reported till August 27, 2020. 58 years male from Talegaon admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital expired on 25th August 2020. 95 years male from Margao admitted at ESI Hospital expired on 25th August 2020. 69 years male from Margao admitted at ESI Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 26th August 2020. 84 years female from Bambolim, 65 years female from Paroda, 54 years male from Margao admitted at ESI Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 27th August 2020. Out of 2,830 samples tested, 1,953 are negative, 456 are positive, 421 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 112. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 31 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 27th August 2020. Breakup of total 3,445 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 33, CSC Sakre 108, CSC Pernam 94, CSC Valpai 86, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 163, USC Panji 168, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 65, PSC Bedki 71, PSC Kandolim 60, PSC Kansarvarnem 40, PSC Korwai 98, PSC Kolim 113, PSC Chimbal 117, PSC Shuolim 74, PSC Porvorim 177, PSC Mayam 29, Travelers by Road Flight Train 9. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 105, CSC Kankona 62, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 496, USC Vasco 267, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 27, PSC Kansavlem 118, PSC Chinchinem 31, PSC Kortalim 55, PSC Kurtorim 83, PSC Lutolim 55, PSC Marsaim 46, PSC Kapam 94, PSC Sangam 36, PSC Shirata 56, PSC Darbandara 34, PSC Ponda 258, PSC Navilem 117. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.